Mother Josephine was 37 weeks pregnant when her son was born right on time, healthy in every way, until the routine newborn hearing screening came back inconclusive. Nurses reassured her it happens often and just meant a repeat test was needed before they could be sure either way. Josephine spent the next 2 weeks unable to stop watching him for any sign he could hear her voice. At the follow-up appointment, an audiologist ran a longer, more detailed test while Josephine held her breath in the waiting room. The results came back clear. His hearing was completely normal, and the first test had simply been affected by fluid still in his ears from delivery. Josephine said she'd never felt relief hit her body like that before. But first, if you have a brother, drop a like. Got a sister too? Hit subscribe. Share this video if your siblings are your best friends. And leave a heart in the comments if you'd never want to lose them. At his 1-month checkup, he turned his head straight toward his mother's voice the second she walked into the room. Josephine says that one small movement meant more to her than almost anything else that first month.